Hey guys, what's up? It's Baron and Alyssa here, back with another video, and today I'm doing a review on Minaboros M2, Beyblade Burst Evolution. So yeah, I really like this Beyblade, mostly because of Jaggy, and it's Minaboros. Why would anyone not want Minaboros? But yeah. This is Minaboros. I keep on forgetting. Minaboros Knuckle Jaggy is bursting Doom Sizer on the top. Killer Death Scyther on the top. Part of the Beyblade Burst app up here. So if you turn it on the back, it has 6 attack. Seems like more. 4 burst, 0 defense, 4 weight, 5 agility, and 1 stamina. Well, yeah. Okay, so Minaboros Knuckle Jaggy. Yeah. Oh, and guys, I am doing a giveaway. So, yeah. I am doing this giveaway for you guys. Sadly, I'm not going to be doing a review on Bloody Longinus. You're thinking, okay, so what's so sad about that? The contest is whoever guesses, not including the YouTube channel Killer Umbreon, not including that channel. Because, yeah. Whoever guesses why my channel is named Baron Unlisted, aka what that means, will win a Bloody Longinus and the brand new LR Light Launcher that comes like this for Bloody Longinus. So, the giveaway ends on May 17th, and I will tell the winner if there is one on May 25th. The reason for that is May 17th is the deadline for when I can cancel the order. Because personally, my dad would only let me buy that if it was for a good reason. So, if no one guesses it by May 17th, then yeah. Then I can cancel the order. Because I really don't have enough money to buy that. Because I'm waiting for wave 4. And yeah. So let's open this thing up. So this is what comes in the box. Minaboros. Here, the normal launcher. No, I just popped that out. And Minaboros. So here is the layer. This kind of has the same, like, no, not the same, but a similar look to Bison King. If you know what I mean from Ninja Steel, Power Ranger Ninja Steel. Because I've seen, like, it on Amazon. Here is the code. You want it? So, yeah. It's a pretty nice one. And this doesn't look like it would be a good band attack. Just doesn't look like it. But we're going to find out in the test battles. So we have Knuckle, this exact same one that saw on the Storm Spriggan. Or Spryzen. And here we have Jaggy, one of the main reasons I got this. You saw my Enlibian review. This is a really good attack driver, and this is a really good balanced driver with some, this is a really good balanced disc. So, yeah. Have these two. So, 2 parts for my legendary combo. Oh, yeah. Oh yeah, I forgot. And I also have Fantasist P2. As I said in that video, this looks like a really nice attack layer. So, my friend lended me his Jaggy so I could do this combo. And this is a awesome combo. Just saying. With the Jaggy driver. So, yeah. This doesn't, like, the layer seems like great attack, but, like, horrible stamina because it's all, like, unproportioned. But, yeah. So, let's see how this Beyblade does in battle. Okay, so, right here I have Minaboros. And I am going to be doing it against Genesis Valtryek. Or God Valkyrie. So, I'm going to launch God Valkyrie first because it's evolution 3, 2, 1. It's like reboot kicked on both of them. Ooh, Minaboros burst Genesis Valtryek. 0 to 2. No, 2 to 0. I always mess up. 3, 2, 1, 2, 1, Looks like Minaboros has more stamina. Wait, no. Looks like Valtryek has more stamina. Yep. So Valtryek 1, 2 to 1, 3 to 1, 2, 1, What? That was a double burst. That was an epic double burst. So, who will win? One more point for Minaboros. 2 for Valtryek. 3, 2, 1, rip. Minaboros really doesn't want to win. Ooh, Valtryek barely won that one. Little burst finish at the very end. Wow. But just because of these battles doesn't mean that Minaboros is a bad Bey. It might just be me. Might just be me. Might depend on how strong your launch is to determine how good it is or who you're going against. So, yeah. Let's end. I was actually very surprised at this Beyblade. I was not thinking they would do this good. And it shouldn't be a 6 in attack. It should be like an 8. But this is 8, 9. This is a really good attack Bey. I really recommend this, surprisingly, unlike at the beginning of the video. But yeah, this is a surprisingly good combo. So yeah, make sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel. Remember the giveaway that we're doing. And yeah. Make sure to follow me on my Instagram, Baron Unlisted. And I really hope you like this video. Make sure to like and subscribe. And make sure to buy more Beyblades and have fun.